Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Tuesday, November 21st, 2023, and it's 5:17 and 36 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, radiocarbon dating. So let's hop to it here. Radiocarbon dating means Egyptology and biblical accounts in the city of Giza do dates allowed testing of proposed correlations between text and archaeological remains. Date November 16, 2023. Source PLOS. As Giza is an ancient southern Levantine city, well known from Egyptian, Assyrian, and biblical texts, and associated with stories of power struggles and significant historical figures. It is also a rich archaeological site with abundant Bronze Age and Iron Age remains, and with great potential for research into the daily lives of its denizens. As recent excavations at the site have uncovered a continuous stratigraphic sequence that allows for detailed dating and the establishment of an absolute chronology for events at the site. In this study, archaeologists obtained 35 radiocarbon dates on organic materials, mostly seeds, from 7 distinct stratigraphic layers and Giza. As these dates range from the 13th to the 9th centuries, a time period that covers numerous significant changes in the city, including multiple destructive events, rebuilding episodes, and the fortification of the city. Some of these events have been proposed to be linked to certain stories from ancient texts. As the study provides a detailed data set that can be used to test proposed correlations between the archaeological record and ancient texts, these dates suggest, for example, that the correlation of a certain destructive episode with the actions of the pharaoh Mernetup is plausible, while the proposed link between another such episode and the campaign of Haziel is not. Ultimately, this new dataset provides an independent source of absolute dates that will allow researchers to better understand the events at Giza and to place them in a regional perspective. The development of a radiocarbon-based chronology at Tel Giza, a site with uniquely rich historical connections, illustrates the crucial role radiocarbon dating can and must play in reconstructing individual site histories, resolving long-running debates, and testing possible correlations between archaeological remains and written sources. And this is a Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.